Hello, today we will guide you through how to find Facebook and Instagram messages in Meta Business Suite. If you manage conversations for your business across both Facebook and Instagram, Meta Business Suite makes it much easier to keep everything in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to go so you can quickly access messages from both platforms without needing to switch between separate apps or tabs. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. This is the main dashboard where you can manage different parts of your business presence, including content, notifications, and customer communication. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct business account, especially if you manage more than one. That will help ensure you're looking at the right inbox. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Inbox. This section is where Meta Business Suite gathers incoming conversations and message activity. It's the central place for reviewing and responding to messages, so if you're trying to keep up with communication from customers or followers, this is the area you'll use most often. After the inbox opens, click Messenger. This will show you messages connected to Facebook Messenger. If you've had recent conversations through your Facebook page, they should appear here. This is helpful when you want to review Facebook-specific conversations first before switching over to Instagram. You may also see message threads, timestamps, and other conversation details that help you identify the latest activity. Once you've checked the Messenger view, go to the top of the inbox and click Instagram. This switches the message view from Facebook Messenger to your Instagram messages. If your Instagram account is properly connected to Meta Business Suite, your direct messages should appear here, allowing you to manage them from the same dashboard. This setup is especially useful if you're handling customer support, sales inquiries, or general engagement across both platforms. Instead of checking each platform separately, you can move between Messenger and Instagram right from the inbox area. If you don't see Instagram messages right away, it may help to confirm that your Instagram account is linked correctly in Meta Business Suite and that you have the necessary permissions to access it. Also, make sure you're viewing the correct business asset if multiple accounts are connected. That's it. You now know where to find both Facebook and Instagram messages inside Meta Business Suite, making it easier to stay organized and respond efficiently.